Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create Microsoft Teams meeting link. First of all you have to do is open your Microsoft Teams app on your Windows or on your phone. Once opened, you will see this kind of interface on your home page. From here you have two options, Meet Now and Meet Later. If you want to create a meeting for later, you can choose Meet Later, but for this tutorial I will show you how to do it right now. So I will click on Meet Now. Now I have been joined into a meeting. So what I will do, I will copy meeting link from this button. I will click on it and the link will be copied to my clipboard of this meeting. And now I have been joined into a meeting and I'm a single person in this meeting. So what I will do, I will paste my link to anywhere. For example, this is my meeting link. I will paste and send it to my friends on WhatsApp, on Instagram, or anywhere else. This is the link that I can send it to anyone. With this link, anyone can join my meeting. And that's how to create Microsoft Teams meeting link. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.